Video I'm going to be teaching you how to use expert option, how to use the expert option app. Right, so to get started, the first thing you want to do is to download the app. Before then, you should have registered and created an account. You use the link on the channel. Right, there's a link on the channel there. Use the link to register on expert option. Right, make sure you use the link so that you get bonus when you deposit. Then when you have registered and created an account, you can go to Play Store and download expert option. Just search for expert option, download it, and then you can log in your account. Now if you log in your expert option account, this is the first thing you will see. This is what the expert option interface looks like. So I'm going to explain what the interface is to you and how to simply execute a trade using expert option. Now the first thing you will see is that you'll be given a demo account. I'm currently on my demo account. Look at it above here. You'll be given a demo account. Yeah. And expert option is an all-in-one trading app that allow you to trade a couple of things. If you click here now, because currently this is euro dollar, that's euro USD. But if you click on it, you see that expert option allow you to trade a couple of things like gold, Bitcoin, even stocks. Right, it allows you to trade even oil indices and all that. You can trade euro JPY here, which is euro Japanese yen and all that. So it's an all-in-one trading app. So how do you use it to trade? Now it's simple. You see this thing below here. If you look below here, you are going to see two things: buy and sell. Right, buy and sell. There are literally two ways you can trade and make money from expert option. Number one, you can put on a buy. You can put a buy order. Now if you put a buy order and at the end of the trade duration, your trade or the price of the asset you are trading ends above your entry point, you have won that trade. But if it ends below your entry point, you have lost that trade. If you put a sell order and at the end of the trade duration, the price of the asset you are trading ends below the entry point, you have won that trade. But if it ends above the entry point, you have lost that trade. So buy and sell order are just opposite. Now when trading on expert option, you need to set duration of your trade. If you look below, you are going to see something called deal duration. If I click on it, you are seeing that you can set duration of your trade. You can decide if you want your trade to run for 30 seconds, if you want your trade to run for 1 minute, if you want your trade to run for 1 hour 30 1 minute 30 seconds, if you want your trade to run for 3 minutes. You can set duration you want your trade to run. You can even custom it. Let's say you want your trade to run for 1 hour. This is hour, this is minute, this is seconds. You custom your duration. Right, then if you look at the other side, you are seeing investment. Investment is the amount of money you are willing to risk for the trade. Right, so most times it's advisable you start with demo first. Get familiar with trading using demo before you start using your real account. So this is demo. So investment is the amount of money you are willing to risk. So if you want to risk $100, you put it. If you want to risk $200, if you want to use $10, if you want to use $5, you put it on this investment session. Now if you look at this buy or sell written below, you are going to see something under, which is 83%. 83% is written under. Now what does this mean? Let me explain. If you enter a trade, assuming I enter this trade now with $100 and I choose buy for 30 seconds, right? If the trade ends above my entry at the end of 30 seconds, it means that I'm going to make 83% profit of my money. 83% of $100 is $83. It means I'm going to make extra $83. That's what this 83% means. But if it goes wrong, I'm going to lose the extra $100. If I choose sell and at the end of the trade, the price ends below my entry point, I've won that trade. So I'm going to make $83. That's why you're seeing 83% here. Right, so if you enter a trade now, let's assume I just click on buy now. Let me enter a trade. I click on buy. You see this line, this green line that has been created. This is my entry point. You can see the green line here. Look at the green line. This is my entry point. Because I choose buy, if at the end of 30 seconds, this my price point that is moving ends above this green line, it means that I've won the trade. So I'm going to make an extra $83. But if at the end of 30 seconds, this line is still under this green line, this my current price is still under this green line, I think 30 seconds has finished, it ended under the green line, so I lost the trade. So I lost the $100. So that's how it works, right? So that's basically how to trade expert option. Now you are going to be giving signals to trade it, and when you are giving signals, you are going to see the duration they want you to take the trade on the signals. You are going to see the assets they want you to trade on the signals. So I've taught you where to see the assets, this place. I've taught you how to choose duration. Then you are going to see whether you are going to go buy or you are selling. When you see up, when you see on the signal that this is written up, it means they are telling you to buy. When you say down, it means they are telling you to sell. So you just input the information on the signal into this your expert option app, and you wait for the duration of the trade to run. And at the end of the duration, you know if you are profitable or if you are not profitable. So one more thing, if you want to use your real account, because this is demo, how can you deposit or how can you fund your wallet? Because if you fund your wallet using the code, my referral code, if you check the Telegram channel, you are going to see a code. Use the code to fund. You are going to get extra 120% bonus when you are funding. Right? So when you want to deposit, what do? You click here, you click on finance. When you click on finance, you are going to see different options to deposit. They have different deposit options. You can deposit using USDT, you can deposit using bank transfer, you can even use OPay, you can use PalmPay. Anyone. Most people use OPay or PalmPay. So let's try OPay. If you click on OPay, right? So if you deposit anything above $30, if you fund anything above $30, you'll get 20% bonus, right? But if you put the referral bonus I'm going to give you, if you put the promo code I'm going to give you here and apply it, you are going to get up to 120% bonus when you deposit. Right? You are going to get up to 120% bonus when you deposit. So you put the amount you want to deposit, then you pay, and you can make a transfer and deposit and fund your expert option account. It's that simple. So that's how to deposit or fund your expert option account. So now let's go back to what we are doing. Now another thing you want to take note of is some people don't like using this line here. Most people are familiar with charts, which is candlesticks rather. They don't like using line. So if you want to change this line to candlestick, what do? You click on this place here. You see this place here, you click on it, right? This place here, sorry, not this first one, this second one here, this one. You click on it, then you click on this second one here. Oh, you click on the first one rather. I'm making mistake. You click on it. Okay, click on the first, on this box here. When you click on this box here, you are going to see that you can change it. If you want it to be in area, you change it. If you want it to be in candle, if you want it to be in bars. So I like using candlesticks because I'm familiar with candlesticks. So I choose candlesticks. You can choose the time frame. Let's say 5-minute time frame. You click on confirm. You see it has changed to candlesticks. Another part is indicators. This one here, this second one here are indicators. You can use it to analyze the charts, right? We have Bollinger Bands, MACD, moving average, different indicators that you can use to analyze. But even if you don't want to be analyzing, you can be using the signals on the channel. Just input it and you make money for yourself. You can test using demo. Then when you have understood and more familiar, you can fund your wallet using the promo code in the group or in the description of this video, and you are going to get extra bonuses that you can use to trade. So this is the basics of how to use expert option. If you want to learn more, you can even come to the education section here. If you click on the education section, they are going to teach you more by themselves. They have created short videos to teach you more on how to use expert option. So it is an app that is not difficult to use, and I believe every single one of you can understand how to use expert option. So that's it about this video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.